Hey guys, what's up? Today we got a 2007 911 Carrera in the shop. So we're going to be doing some paint protection film on the front end. We're going to be using the Xpel Ultimate Plus. It's great stuff. So last week we did the window tint on the car. What did we do on that? XR Plus, 15% the whole way around. This is the guy's track car, so it's gonna get rock, chips, scratches, the whole nine. So we're gonna be doing the front bumper, and we're gonna be doing a little bit back here. There is some existing PPF already on, but it's time for it to come off. You know, it's starting to fade a little bit. It's discolored. It's been on there for a long time. So we're gonna get that ripped off. We're gonna get this replaced with some black because he's going for some black accents. Then we're gonna do the hood. The whole hood's getting done, and the black Xpel PPF. So this car is gonna look good. Get some black accents going on. It's gonna be fully protected.